Welcome everybody, so I'm playing Merge Elves and I've got some good merges to make with some elves now. So I've just recently done a star quest last week and I had to do 21 merges of level 3 elves. So I've got some level 4 merges to make now. So let me just let them finish harvesting there. So this is the level 4 raven here, and you get the raven eggs from the wooden chests that cost 17 gems each, and if you merge them up to a higher level chest, then you can actually get the nests. Oh, I don't really want them harvesting again now, so let's just open the book up and let's do that 5 merge. Okay. So there's my nests. Let's bring them up. Nest of witch raven eggs. Oh, that one's still harvesting, look. And let's tap these out. Hopefully we get a decent amount of eggs. Oh, 4, that's a bit dismal. Well, that's not very good, is it? So yeah, only 9 eggs, unfortunately. So let's merge those. And yeah, cute. They look like they've got a little bit more of a greenish tinge to them than the raven babies. Let's have a look at what they're called. That's the egg. So it's the witch raven baby. Yeah, a bit more of a greenish tinge and a different colour hat there. A brownish hat. But I really like this elf, so really glad to make the second level of this one. Okay, so thanks for watching everybody.